Hey there, it's Colleen Flanagan, Master Dowser and Mind Body Wisdom Expert. This video is going to show you how I would dowse to find out if a past life is blocking any kind of successes I wish to achieve or create in this life. If you don't believe in past lives, this video is not for you, and better luck next lifetime. Okay. First off, I would ask permission to find out that I can examine the past lives at this time that my soul has been involved in that might be negatively, non-beneficially affecting this life. So how I dowse, I programmed this in years ago, is I ask a question, and if my fingers fall to my palms, that's a no answer. If my fingers fall to my fingertips and match the fingertips and meet the fingertips, that's a yes answer. So let's just check. I have permission now to examine past lives that my soul has been through that might be negatively affecting this life. Cool. Alright. There's one lifetime in particular that might be blocking the success I wish to achieve, say as an author, in this life. Okay? This past life that I want to identify and clear out any fears that are still resonating energetically. This is a lifetime after Christ was born, AD. Okay, it's BC lifetime. May I know exactly when? It was 100 BC, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Okay, 600 BC. Was I a writer then? Because it's a writing issue, right? Tell me exactly what fears are resonating still within my energy from that past life. Fear of failure, fear of not being safe, fear the bad times will never end, fear of rejection, abandonment, the consequences of success. So we have 3 of the 5 fears that I always check for that are causing some blocks right now. I'm having a little bit of writer's block, some issues about what do I want to write next, what do I want to present next. So the first thing, I'm feeling a whole lot of really sort of sad and dark energy right now, and that's from this past life. So it's coming up to be released. So I just had a flash in my mind, and you might notice flashes and things, so don't be afraid of them. They're simple to get rid of. You might want to do this with someone nearby in case you get scared, you scare yourself or whatever. It's not a scary thing as far as I'm concerned, but I would just release right now from that life around 600 BC when I was a scribe, a writer. Was it over in Africa? That's the first thing I got. Egypt. Okay, I could see me hitting those rocks, writing my stories in those rocks. Oh no, I made a mistake. I got to start over. I release all my fears from this past life of not being safe, of the bad times never ending. Fears that with success comes consequences. I let all this go now from that past life. And any other emotions that I have that are coming up, a fear of not being appreciated, of being attacked. Maybe I was really good at what I did. Or maybe I sucked. I don't know. I let them all go. And when you start laughing like this, you know that you're clear, but I'll check anyway. I still have fears from that past life in 600 BC, in which I was a scribe or a writer. And it's now causing problems in this life. It's like my soul carried those fears with it. No, thank God. Okay, anyway, that's what I would do. I hope this works for you. If you need to learn how to dowse or even how to heal yourself and others, please check out Fearless Accurate Dowsing. It's on Amazon in paper and in electronically downloaded immediately for your pleasure. Take care of yourself. You are a treasure. You are here for a reason. So please, develop your skills. Make your dreams come true. You deserve it. Okay? Namaste. Peace out. And dowse like a maniac. Subscribe to my bi-monthly newsletter and get 10 free chapters of Fearless Accurate Dowsing. There are links to all my Amazon books on the homepage, emorescue.com. Thank you.